Welcome to my Law Jurist YouTube channel, Law Jurist Dr. Pramod Wagmare. Friends, today I am before you for an very important topic, that is the pollution. Because you all know there are different types of pollutions in the world, not in India but in the world. Say for example, very common is the water pollution, air pollution, sewage pollution, sludge pollution, and particularly the coastal pollution. So these all pollutions will hamper the general life of an human being. Now friends, here if you go for a diagrammatic show, you will find that pollutions basically can be divided into three, that is the water pollution, air pollution, and the solid waste pollution. Now friends, here if you go for the schematic representation, you will find that this type of scenario is going on, and moreover this scenario also has diverse effect on the living creatures. This is also important. Friends, again, if you go for the air pollution, that is the world's largest pollution of the particularly air, wherein there are different things associated. Say for example smoke, say for example chimney, say for example volcano, say for example cigarette smoke and burning leaves. They have a direct relation with the air pollution. Say for example, smoke will have a direct relationship for the increasing traffic. Why it is associated? Smoke from a chimney is directly related to the growing cities. Then eruption of a volcano, it is also one of the important aspects relating to the particular aspect. That is the economic development will hamper here. Then the cigarette smoke will also have a direct impact on the industrialization, and the burning leaves will also have an impact on the people because it will hamper the life of the people. Now these are the effects of air pollution, where you will find there are health problems, there are damage to properties, and there are damage to the climate as well. Moreover, again in water pollution also, many toxic things we insert into the water. Say for example, we throw our kitchen water directly on the surrounding, that will create a problem. We flow or we flush the particularly dirty water into the lakes, streams, rivers, that will also have a direct impact on the environment. It will change the environment. Say for example, water pollution is having a direct impact on animals, fish, birds, and all type of living creatures. Slowly they will die. It is a slow death, slow poison given to these living beings. Now coming to next point, that is the solid waste. Solid waste is also related to the biomedical waste, hospital waste, and different types of waste which we liberate into the environment. That is also not good. You have to keep care of the particular things in control. Now next, we know better, we know how to stop it, but we are not stopping it. It is our drawback that we are not stopping it. We must try to stop it so that there will be some type of aspects that should be controlled in a very particular manner. Moreover, this is also very important that what we are going to do now, not only we are controlling, or we are not in a mood to control particularly the overpopulation, because this can also lead to more type of pollution. So it is better that water pollution, sewage pollution, air pollution can be controlled at a particular peak level only. Say for example, you may keep the lakes clean. At the same time, you may also have different techniques to remove the soil erosion. Then all the gutters, nalas should be cleaned off. Now the Prime Minister of India has taken a very good effort regarding the cleaning of river Ganga, but very few people are attracted to that, and therefore that is also a good effort that to keep an environment in clean manner. Say for example, when you control air pollution, then you have to do some good things for the next generation. Say for example, first you have to use less amount of cars, vehicles, buses, so that there will be less amount of air pollution. Then there should be no burning of leaves. That is also not very good. The burning of leaves should not be kept in that particular aspect. Next way, that is solid waste pollution. Now solid waste also, say for example sewage waste, sludge waste, that is also we are not taking care of. We have to take care so that the next generation will be saved from the ill effects of the pollution. And in this particular, this triangle shows you that the recycle, reuse and reduce, these should be used again and again so that we can have a good type of particular environment. So friends, with this I thank all of you for watching this video patiently, and friends, I request that if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel Law Jurist Dr. Pramod Wagmare and put the bell icon on so that you can get all my recent videos in a quick way. Okay, thank you one and all. Thank you.